Hello everyone. So today we are going to convert this content plugin, which does not contain any C++ script, C++ code, only blueprints, this plugin, into a plugin that can contain C++ classes. So the reason that I want to do that is here I have this subsystem, user settings subsystem. So we can't create subsystems with blueprint. We need to create them with C++. So therefore what I did is I created the C++ subsystem class within my project. That means here, you see. And then I subclassed a blueprint subsystem using that. But I want the C++ class also within my plugin. So since this is a content plugin, I can't add C++ classes. So we are going to fix it now and then properly reparent to a C++ class that exists within the plugin itself. Alright, so for that, let me open my Visual Studio project. This is already a C++ project because I already have C++ classes within the project. So we can open Visual Studio. And the first thing we need to do is here, let me close all this. Oh, here we have CLM menu system plugin. Here we need to define a module. So I have already copied that here like this, and you need to have this modules section and add the name of the module. I'm going to call it CLM menu system. Save it, and then let me go to the plugin folder in my Explorer, and let's create a new folder, and it should use the same name as this. Wait, no, first we need to have a source folder. Source. Oh. And within here, a new folder with the same name. And here we need to add a build.cs file. So we can refer to the build.cs file we already have here for the project. Here, build.cs file. So let me copy the content of this, and the build.cs file should have the same name as this module name. So here let's create a new, it doesn't matter what, let's create a text and build.cs. Yes, if I open this, okay, here is the file. Let me copy this from here, and I'll change this name to CLM menu system. Okay, these should work. And then we need a public folder and a private folder to add the header file and the C++ file for the module. Here in the public, let's say CLM menu system.h. We don't need the text part. Okay, let me open this here, and this should be the content. Class CLM menu system module, module interface, We need these two, startup module and shutdown module. And similarly, we need to define a C++ class for this too. And open it here, and content should be like this. We need to implement the startup module, shutdown module, and add this line, many system module, CLM many system, and make sure that you have included the correct header files. I think that's all we need to do. I'll make sure this is the startup project and build the project. Wait, we can't build because we already have the project here open. So now that we have some new, it already started building, but this might fail. It's taking forever to build. Let me close this, because since we add a couple of new files, maybe we should hit this and regenerate project files and start new. Generate Visual Studio project files. Okay, generated. Let me open the Visual Studio project again. Okay, now this is the default project, startup project, and build again. So it compiled. Now to make sure that everything worked, if I try to add a new C++ class, I should see two modules. Yeah, main system and common new main system. So this one is the plugin module. So it worked. Nice. So what I want to do is now this. We cancel this. This is the user settings subsystem that I have within the project that I use to subclass this BPCLM user settings subsystem. Now, instead of using that, I want to have a C++ class within the plugin. So let's go to here, game instance subsystem, and here I'll select the plugin this time. I don't really have anything to copy, because if I open the subsystem, it's just this, because I only wanted the parent class that I can subclass the blueprint. So it's just only this with this part. So here, what should I call it? Since I'm using it for user settings, actually not just user settings, we use it for all the menu system related stuff, but I'll call it that's two settings. User settings subsystem. We already have user settings, I think. Let's call it extended user settings subsystem. Okay, and make sure I have selected the plugin module and create. And now it's compiling again. Here, reload, and I have to make sure that I add this line. I'll save it. Otherwise, I will not be able to subclass this with blueprints. Okay. Compilation done. Now if I open this and go to class settings, here this is the C++ class within the project. Extended. Yeah. Now I can select the C++ class of the subsystem within the plugin. Now select that, reparent, and let me open the map just to make sure everything is working as before. And it crashed, but I hope this is. Let me set a restart. Let me check if the. Oh, all right. Let me rebuild from here. Because after the crash, the build compiled file for the whatever the new C++ class was not available. So that's why I got the error. Now let's check again. And yeah, it's from user settings. Okay, all good. And I can play the game. And I see all the settings. Everything is working as before. Yeah. Alright, so that's all I want to do in this episode. And thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.